Guess what?
Hey, what's up?
We're doing guess the item again. You ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Oh, I'm horrible at these, but yeah, sure.
All right, clue one.
Is that a Walkman? Too cool. Okay, something to cool you down. Oh no, fan.
Ooh, I needed that.
Second one.
Shampoo.
Well, it's conditioner.
No, conditioner. Oh.
Ah, got it.
Is it an AC unit? No. Is it an AC unit? Air conditioner.
Air conditioner.
Hey, there we go.
Nice.
Hey, there we go. There we
Okay.
go.
That one was better.
Once I get done working on this ductwork, I'm gonna shampoo my hair and just blow it dry.